Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Comprehensive DNA Home Health Test Kit. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, and herbalist. I'm certified in Acupoint physical medicine and pet acupressure therapy. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. I'm so excited to introduce this test kit to you because I know it'll make a positive change in your health, not only for today, but for the rest of your life. Let's get started. When you first open the box, you'll find a sealed white pouch with the actual kit. Let's see what it looks like. Here it is. Carefully cut along the top edge to get your kit. Inside, you're going to find a prepaid mailer. We'll look at that again. And an instruction sheet. I recommend that you read through it before doing the actual test. In the mailer, you'll find a clear plastic bag, 2 swabs that are individually wrapped, and 2 sealed vials that have some fluid in them. Put the plastic bag right over here. Now let's demonstrate how to use the kit. And make sure you wait at least 1 hour after eating or drinking and wash your hands before opening the packaged swabs. Step 1, place the unopened vials and swabs on a clean, flat surface, like this one right over here. Then remove one of the swabs from its package, just like this. And firmly scrape the inside of your cheek while rotating the swab. Do this for at least 45 seconds. After 45 seconds, open one of your vials, place the swab inside, and then snap it off where you see the black line. Then close that and put it in your clear plastic bag. Then we're going to take the other swab and repeat on the other cheek, like this. After 45 seconds, unseal the tube, place the swab end in, then snap it off and reseal the tube, just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight, and put it in your plastic bag. Go ahead and seal the plastic bag and place it in the prepaid mailer just like this. Take off the adhesive strip, fold it over, and it's all set to go. This mailer is already stamped and addressed, so you don't need to worry about paying for postage. Just drop it in the mail and it will go directly to our world-class lab for analysis. The analysis takes 2 to 3 weeks. When the analysis is complete, I'll prepare your report, rush it to you, and contact you to schedule our consultation to go over the results and create an action plan. Now let's take a look at the DNA Comprehensive Health Report. I've put my video here. Check it out.